Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make no oven Brazilian condensed milk pudding. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I put condensed milk, whole milk, and eggs. Pour through the strainer to remove the yolk's membrane and prevent strong egg taste. Vanilla essence, blended, and left resting. To make the caramel sauce, I put caster sugar, water, and mix together. Switch it on the induction hob over medium heat, stop mixing, and cooked until golden. I transferred to a 20 cm ring cake tin and poured the pudding mixture. Cover with aluminum foil with the shiny side face down and placed in the pressure cooker filled with a bit of water. I cooked over medium heat for 10 minutes, turned it off, left to release in the steam, and opened. I inserted a knife into it and didn't come out clean. I cooked it for more 10 minutes, left release in the steam, opened, insert the knife and came out clean. I left cool and refrigerated overnight. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye.